Hello, good morning to everyone. So this is Dr. Kausar Unnisa, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Commerce and Management, GFGC, KGF. So today in this session, I would like to have discussion on the marketing research. What do you mean by this marketing research means? We know that research is nothing but a systematic and an objective investigation of a subject, of a problem in order to discover relevant information or principles. Marketing research, it assists in the overall management of the marketing function. A marketing manager must prioritize the more important problems which are selected for the solution. And the term marketing research means it includes both marketing and also the research. Marketing means we know that it is nothing but buying and selling of the activities. Research means systematic and complete study of a problem. And this can be done by the experts, or it can be solved by the expert by using the scientific methods. So marketing research is nothing but a systematic method of collecting, recording, and analyzing the data, which is used to solve the marketing problems. So marketing research is a systematic process. It first collects the data about the marketing problem, then it records the data, then again it is going to studies the data and draws the conclusions. And also it gives the suggestions for solving the marketing problems. So marketing research, it collects the full information about the customers, and also it find out the needful and the needs and expectations of the consumer. So the company produces the goods according to the needs and expectations of the consumer. So we know that marketing research, it has to identify the consumers, for all the consumers for our product, and it has to ascertain the needs and preferences, the taste and fashions, what they are going to like, and also they have to find out in which market it has to be sold, or the investigations has to be done, and also forecasting for the future. So what will be the demand for the products? So we go towards this industrial marketing research. So we know that industrial marketing research is nothing but a systematic process of obtaining, analyzing, reporting the data, and also decision making of industrial marketing. And the marketing researcher has to develop the designs, which is going to introduce the procedures and also the cost for conducting the research activity. We know that industrial marketing is nothing but the conducting or it has to recognize the industrial customers, and also this can be used as a tool for accurate decision making for marketing of goods and services. And the industrial marketing research can also be useful to study and solve the different marketing problems in a systematic and rational manner. And it is a special branch of marketing management where we can able to see where the marketing problems or the problems and also the solutions can be done in a systematic process. So this industrial marketing is playing a very significant role in identifying the needs and customers and also meeting the things in a right manner. We'll go that how this industrial marketing is going to be seen in terms of nature of this industrial marketing. We know that industrial marketing is nothing but a systematic gathering and analysis of the information. It is nothing but the analyzing and it is nothing but formalizing the procedures for generating, for analyzing, for storing and distribution of the information regarding to the markets. And also this industrial marketing is being identified what are the market opportunities and the constraints in developing and also implementing the marketing strategies for evaluating the effectiveness of the marketing plans. And this industrial marketing, it is widely used in business movement where the sellers need to know more about their final consumers, but they are generally separated from those consumers. So we can able to see that here. This is necessarily linked between the marketing decision makers and markets in which they are going to operate. And the next thing is nothing but regarding when we'll see this industrial marketing. So this industrial marketing is helping the people to identify what are all the market opportunities and constraints and the strategies to evaluate the effectiveness of marketing plans. It also helpful in various important principles for generating informations which are useful to the managers. Industrial marketing research is one of the principal tools because it is going to link the consumers, customers, and also the public to the market through the informations, and it is going to monitor the marketing performance, and also it is going to understand the marketing procedures. What are the importance that we can able to see why this industrial marketing research is important in the enterprise? Because in case of this industrial marketing research, you know that this is the research where the fast growing of the information can be seen due to the increasing competition. We require information for fast moving of technological developments and the consumer needs and expectations and attitudes. We require the information. The in-depth study can be done with the help of industrial marketing. See some of the points that we have highlighted. What is the useful of this industrial marketing? We know that industrial marketing is helpful in strengthening the position of the business. How the industrial marketing is making the strengthen to the business position means, because we know that information is required, this information is being gained with the help of the knowledge. So with the help of this market research, we are going to collect the information to understand in a better manner regarding the market and also the target audience. So which is going to ensure to have a stiff competition that can be lead in the market. If you want to have a firm stand, if you want to gain the market means we have to lead with the competitions. So this knowledge is providing, the marketing research is providing, it is strengthening the business with the help of this information. With this, industrial marketing is possible to minimize the investment risk. We know that this is very simple and very important to have a study towards this business during the time of critical considerations. Means whatever the things we are going to spend, it will be in the small proportions of the investment on researching and also test marketing. And some of the concept and ideas are also making the business as very sound. So we need this marketing research. And with the help of this marketing research, it is possible to identify the potential threats and opportunities. Because we know that both primary research, secondary research can also be utilized as the policies what we are going to be framed to overcome the dangers. With the help of this qualitative research, in a deeper manner, as we are going to acquire or as we are going to collect the information, the opportunities of warning the signs, it gives an opportunity that how the threats and opportunities are going to be seen in future. That also can be assessed with the help of industrial marketing. It also helps to discover competitors' strength and weakness, because we have to be an eye and open sight of marketing research. We have a keen observation The information cannot be biased whenever we are going to collect the things. Using these research findings, we can able to have the adaptation to learn from the weaknesses, what we are going to see in. For the new found of knowledge that has to be gained for the competitors, that will become an advantage for us. And also it is going to facilitate the strategic planning. So that is the evidence where the time taken we have been done for the investment by our own, because we should be very confident, and the best chances can be achieved to have our business goals by strengthening the planning. It also helps in identifying the emerging trends, because we know that information, whatever we are going to collect, that will becomes the pulse of the things which is going to be seen in the current market. So the research agency or the research consultant has to see what are the emerging trends in the market or the techniques that has to be adopted to achieve our goals. And also it is going to assist the business to stay with the competition. We know that the best demands are relentless to keep getting the basics right with the curiosity and unwillingness, knowing how to find the things, knowing how to see the leverages that we are going to have the measurement to extract for the marketing research. So it is better to stay ahead when we are going to face the competitions. And also it is going to help to evaluate the success of business. With the help of this industrial marketing research, it is possible to, with the help of the survey, we can able to have the better evaluation, so which is making us the benchmarks, how we have to face the competitors regarding the employees engagement things, how the surveys has to be done, and to highlight the performance or to see in regarding to the knowledge gaps which are essential for the potential growth of the information that can be evaluated with the help of industrial marketing. And the next part is nothing but the scope of industrial marketing. In which areas the industrial marketing can be seen? See some of the types of research where we are going to come across regarding to the industrial marketing. So the first one is nothing but the industrial product research. We know that product means the goods and services which are sold to the consumers. It also includes the consumer products as well as the industrial products. The product research studies the individual product, and also it is having the studies regarding to the marketing the product. It studies the product's color, size, quality, packing, branding, price. If any kind of modifications towards the product and any product innovations has to be happen, it is going to analyze the product life cycle according to the needs of the consumer. Therefore, product, if these things are not being assessed, the product definitely have to fail in the market. And also in case of consumer research, we can able to see the industrial marketing. We know that consumer is the person, one who is going to purchase us the goods and services. We are going to call it as a king in the market. So according to the consumer research, the studies is showing that it is nothing but the behavior of the consumers regarding to the needs, wants, likes, dislikes of the consumers. And this data will be helpful to take up the decisions during the time of formulating the product, its price, its place, what we are going to call it as 4 P's of marketing, that is promotion. And in case of packaging research also, we can come across this industrial marketing research, because packaging research is nothing but a part of product research, where we are going to study about the package, where it is going to improve the quality of package, how to improve the quality of package, how it should be made more attractive, how it should be more convenient for the customers, how the packaging is reducing the cost, that also the technique has to be adopted, whether it is suitable for the products, the materials, what we are going to be used. In all these areas, the information or the research has to be done. That is called as packaging. The next one is pricing research. The pricing research studies, it shows regarding the pricing of the product. We have to select a suitable method of pricing for the product. And also it is going to compare the company's price as well as with the competitor's price, where we can able to fix the discounts, the commissions to the middleman can be given, how much of the commissions. So what will be the market price in the regular trends or in the forthcoming trends, that we have to determine, that we have to have a keen observation towards the studies regarding to the future price trends. And the next part is nothing but the advertising research. This advertising research study says that advertising the product, it is going to fix the advertising objectives, advertising budget, and the advertising message, the layout, the slogans, the headlines, what have to be provided. And also it is going to select the suitable media, where we can able to evaluate the effectiveness of advertising as well as sales promotional techniques. And the next part is nothing but the sales research. This research is going to study about the selling activities of the company, regarding to the sales outlets, regarding to the sales territories or the sales forecasting, sales trends, sales methods. Next one is distribution research, where it is going to study about the channels of distribution, regarding to the selection of suitable channel for the product. It is going to identify the channel, how it is going to function towards storage, grading, and also the competitors channel. The policy price is going to define the regarding to the company policies, where it is going to evaluate the effectiveness of the marketing policies, sales policies, distribution policies, pricing policies. And the next one is international marketing research, which is going to have a study towards the foreign market, where the data is going to be collected about the consumers and also the foreign countries. Regarding to the economic and political situations of the different countries, data is being going to assess the competitors of foreign countries, and this data will be useful for the exporters. And the next one is motivation research. This research is going to study about the market competition, market trends, and also the sales forecasting, which is going to estimate the demand for the new product. The last one is nothing but the media research, where the studies is about various advertising medias, the different advertising medias, the radios, newspaper, magazines, internet, all the medias. So it does media planning. It also studies about media cost. It is helpful, or it helps in sales promotion, how to avoid the wastages in advertising. With this, I would like to conclude that marketing research is very helpful for every business, and also any business without the resources, it is not possible to have the in-depth study of the marketing research, because in the nowadays to the business, all consumers should be highly aware towards the surroundings, what is going to be happen. Then only they can able to meet the competitive market. With this, I am going to conclude. With this, I am going to end the session. Thank you.